So hello, this is Hans again from Adventure Drives, and here is the instructional video for setting up your sleeping quarters for the evening. Alright, first step we want to do is we want to get these chairs out of the way. So moving forward, we are going to release the swivel activator, which is right underneath here. If I slide it back, you can see the yellow sticker. Yellow sticker is what you look for, and inside there's a lever to release. Lift up on the lever and rotate the seat. You may need to slide it forward, make clearance from the B pillar, and then you can just turn around and voila. We're in a different seating position. All right, now continuing with our swivel seat exercise. Here on the driver's side, there's a few more obstacles, so we have to move some things out of the way. There's a steering wheel release underneath, a little lever. Push your steering wheel down and out of the way. Underneath my seat, the same as on the passenger side, there's a lever. Once I release that lever, it'll start to swivel. However, you then need to slide the seat forward, rotate some more, and if it's still interfering with your steering wheel, just angle the seat forward a little bit, and you've got full range that way. Or you can simply leave it in that direction, whatever you like to do. And now you have full-on seating. Yeah. Okay, and now to set up our bed. You'll notice that there's a couple of odd-looking cushions that have little divots that cut out of them. They actually look different from each other. This one has a whole new shape to it. The one with the big knuckle on it goes to the back, and this one to the front. And I'll show you where they fit. First of all, we're going to take these smaller bits out of the way. We'll use them at the end. Reaching underneath, we have a lock for the bed not to slide. As soon as we release that lock, you have the ability to slide forward. And that's two halves. So we're going to do the back half first. Release. I have to get out of the way, obviously. Pull that right to the maximum distance that you can. We don't need this near piece. And now that misshapen cushion has a purpose, and it fits perfectly into the design here. And squeeze the cushions in. Get a nice firm mattress to sleep on. Same thing here. Got a shot of meat. Sorry. Slide it out. Keep the seatbelts in there, out of the way. Again, the cushion has its place. And there we are. Once you have that in place, then you can throw these cushions back on against the wall so you have a nice, comfortable surface.